Hello everyone, I just want to kind of wish everyone a happy new year 2022. 2021 was an amazing year for me, and I am truly grateful for all of my subscribers, all of you that have supported this page, and all of you that do watch and have not subscribed. Please subscribe to this channel. We are trying to get to that 1,000 mark by next year, and I certainly do think that we are going to make it there, so please help me out with that. The purpose of this video is to kind of just reflect. It's actually a video for me, so I'm a little selfish with this video, but I want to share it with you guys too. I just want to reflect on everything that I was able to accomplish this year, that I went through this year, and again, a truly amazing year for me. I do want to share this quick Bible verse. Those of you that know me and have followed me throughout the last couple of years, you know that I am a man of faith. I am Christian, an evangelical Christian at that. So I love to include some of my faith and share my faith with you guys, and hopefully you can appreciate that as well. So here's this quick Bible verse that I want to share with you. Look to the Lord in His strength. Seek His face always. Remember the wonders He has done, His miracles and the judgments He pronounced. And that is found in 1 Chronicles 16, 11 through 12. So I'm just looking back and remembering what happened this year. So this year, you guys have seen that I have done amazing trips. I was able to go to Puerto Rico in April. And then after that, I was able to get married to the woman that I love, an amazing woman of God. Cassandra Miranda became Cassandra Pagan. And we had just a beautiful wedding at Nanina's in the Park in New Jersey, July 3rd. And I'm just truly grateful to God for such an amazing woman. She has been amazing to me. We have really come together and really understood what marriage is. So much that I have the shirt on. I'm tired. Not tired of her, but just of all the things that we had to go through this year. So definitely grateful for that. We had an amazing honeymoon, which you guys can see those videos on this page. We went to Aruba. I surprised her after that with a trip to the West Coast where we tackled Las Vegas. And then we got to go to Utah. We went to the Grand Canyon. We went to San Diego, California. We went to Mexico. We crossed the border, and we kind of enjoyed all of that West Coast. So it was pretty awesome to get to see that. And once we come back, we settle down for a little bit, and then we go to Orlando, Florida. We get to see new places like St. Augustine, Florida. So that was amazing. And then we got to go together to Puerto Rico yet again. We also did a trip to Virginia, which we just came back from. So we got to see a lot this year, so I am grateful for that. But in between all that and before I get married and all that, I had an amazing opportunity given to me, and that was to kind of work for a school here in New Jersey that I've always wanted to work for. I was working in Perth Amboy, and I didn't like it too much over there, so I wanted to go to the place that I've always wanted to work in, but I didn't get the opportunity because COVID-19 kind of brought down all of the opportunities at that district. So I'm not going to announce the district that I work for, but I am going to say that God did give me the opportunity to get that job as well. So great things have happened to me. I've been able to transition ministry. Before the pandemic, I was a youth leader in Avalanche Youth Ministries under El Shaddai Ministries Church. Then I was transitioned. It took a bit of a while because of the pandemic, but now I am actively serving as a preacher, minister in El Shaddai Ministries. And I preach every month. So, I am grateful with the growth that I've been able to go through. I'm so happy for my wife. My wife has an amazing nail business, and she's very close to graduating, getting her associates, and she's going to become an architect. So I am proud of her. I'm proud of what she has done too. And overall, I just thank God. Hey, listen, for 2022, my goals are to obviously get to that 1,000+ subscribers so that we can get monetized in this page. But I just want to say this. No matter what you had planned, what didn't go right this year, or what you planned and what you did accomplish, next year is next year. It's a new year. You can start off fresh and you can accomplish all the goals that you need to accomplish. I encourage you, and I just give you words of encouragement. Strive to do your best in everything that you do. Mediocre will not cut it. You know, work hard for everything that you have. I know we're going through this pandemic right now, still 2 years after we found out about it and we went through it, and we're still going through it now with this new variant attacking a lot of the East Coast, but and all of the whole country per se. So I know we're going through all this stuff, but have a positive focus for 2022. It can be your year if you make it your year. All right, so work hard, strive to accomplish all of your goals, and I guarantee you, you'll have an amazing 2022. All right, so leave in the comment section below if you can. Just share what is your New Year's resolution. I would love to read all these resolutions in this video in the comment section below. So don't want to make this video too long. That's all I wanted to share with you guys. So have a happy New Year 2022, and catch me in some of these new videos that are going to come out for 2022. We have amazing trips coming up and a lot more material. All right, so God bless you all and enjoy it with your family.
Vivo agradecido, con el corazón rendido, Señor, tú siempre has sido fiel, siempre has sido fiel. Vivo agradecido por lo que has hecho conmigo, Señor, tú siempre has sido fiel, siempre has sido fiel. Completamente viviré agradecido. Completamente viviré agradecido. Agradecido por tu sacrificio, inicio de un comienzo inmerecido. Eso es lo que siento, decido. Agradecimiento, mi camino, mi estilo. Todo lo que he vivido contigo, mi padre, más que un amigo. Eres mi todo, tú mi destino.